guys, my name is Soumya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you all can read from the title, I am going to do something related to the zodiac signs. Now, I have seen many YouTubers dress up like their zodiac signs, but I'm not sure if that's going to work for me. So in this video, I'm going to put that for a test. So I'm excited. Let's get started. For all those who don't know, every zodiac sign has its own type of outfit and a style. Now it's said to be true for most of the people, and so I'm going to test it. I'm a Sagittarius and personally my style is very casual. I hate being overdressed and so I end up being underdressed always. Now my sister has taken some screenshots of outfits of the zodiac signs. She has cancelled the name of the zodiac sign so that I don't come to know which outfit is related to which zodiac sign. I'm going to choose one outfit from the whole picture which resembles to what I already have at my house and what I wear casually and normally. What actually is my style. By the end of the video, once I've tried on all the three outfits, I'm going to see if they were accurate and according to my zodiac sign or not. As I said before, I'm a Sagittarius and my sister has taken 4 screenshots. One is of tops, one is of bottoms, the third one is of a complete outfit and the fourth one is of a dress. So I'm excited and I'm going to see the pictures now. So let's get started. I have the pictures here with me and first I'm going to choose the top, then the bottom, the dress and finally the whole outfit. So moving on to the top. I can see 12 tops here. So I guess every sign there will be one top. So I can see different styles and one is off shoulder, one has some detailing on the back. One is a graphic tee, one is sleeveless, some are crop tops, some are with stripes and some crosses in the front and stuff like that. So usually my style of top is very casual. I don't wear tops with something on them like fancy and stuff. They are just in one color and very plain. So the one which is similar to my style is the one in the first row and the last column, the one in white, and that's why I'm going to choose that. Now I know I don't have the exact same piece at home, but it's going to be similar to that and I'm going to try my best to get as close to the original outfit. So moving on to the bottom now. Now in the bottom I can see 6 different shorts. I usually don't wear shorts and I don't own those many pair of shorts. I wear navy blue and dark blue shorts and I can't see any of them here. I don't have a single pair of black shorts. I just have one, sporty type of shorts which you wear for, gym and different type of sports. So yeah, I'm going to go for that, which is the one in the second row and the last column. Moving on to the dress. Now there are 12 dresses and all of them are quite fancy. I don't wear those types of fancy and elegant dresses, nor do I wear a bodycon dress. So the one similar to what I have at home and according to my style is the pink one, which is a t-shirt dress. It's kind of a hoodie but like a dress hoodie. So I'm going to go with that. And finally, the whole outfit. Now in the outfit I can see 3 blue pants and 1 black pant. 4 different type of hoodies, I guess, sweatshirts. And different shoes. Now I am not proud, but I have that blingy shoe which is shown in the first outfit. I do wear black pants and I have a sweatshirt similar to this. Now it's in the purplish shade and I have worn it in one of my videos. If you haven't seen that video, do check it out. I'm going to put it here in the icon. So yeah, I think I'm done with choosing all the dresses and outfits. I'm going to put the pictures here, of course, so that you all can see what I have chosen. And now I'm going to get the dresses, show it to you all, then wear them, and finally we'll check which zodiac sign ka dresses these are. So with the top first, this is a plain top with white stripes on the sleeves and the collar. It's from H&M and it's very basic. I know I have it in the blue color, but I couldn't find something in the white color which was plain and didn't have anything written on that. So yeah, this is the top which I'm going to go with. So the second one are these black shorts. They have the white stripe just like the one in the picture. I don't wear them that often, but I just have them in my closet, and yeah, they are quite short. So the third one is a dress. Now I don't have a pink dress like that, but I do have a t-shirt dress and it is quite similar to my style, but I don't wear dresses those often. So it is this dress which is in burgundyish brown color. It has a hoodie as well, just like the picture, and I think it will do, and it is quite similar to what I could do. So finally, moving to the last outfit. First I'm going to show you all my shoes. I couldn't find them in pink color. I have it in this black color. They are too blingy. I know they are dirty because I've worn them too many times. Second is this top, which you all have already seen. It's purple color with a hoodie, and yeah, I've worn it in one of my previous videos. And then a plain black pant. So now I'm going to get dressed, show you all what I've worn and how do I look, and finally we'll go to the results and see which ones actually are the outfits of a Sagittarius. I'm going to see the original screenshots and check whether I picked out the outfits which were of Sagittarius. So the first one is here. I'm going to put it here. The tops one. Oh, it is of a Sagittarius. The first one's correct. I'm impressed. I thought it would be the one with the NASA one or the Scorpio one. I didn't think it would be this plain one, but I'm glad. Okay. The shorts one now. Oh wow. I was kind of like sure it would be this one because this one was the most casual and most decent out of, not decent, but most least effort wala dress from all these 6 shorts. So yeah, I'm happy I got this correct too. Now the dress one. I guess the dress one, the bodycon could be the Sagittarius one, or I don't remember the other one which I thought could be Sagittarius. Let's see. It is the t-shirt dress. I'm so glad. I've seen people do it and I don't actually know that this is true. Like, I know it is true in my case at least. Okay, I'm glad. Oh, the bodycon one was the Gemini one. Okay, cool. And finally, the whole outfit. This is sort of tricky because there were only 4 outfits, but the chances have increased. Okay, cool. Let's see. It is again Sagittarius, but this is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, but yet it is Sagittarius. I'm so glad. Yeah. So all 4 of them showed that I dress up like a Sagittarius. I'm happy that all of them matched with my style. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite outfit, and if you all want me to do other zodiac sign related video, like I have another one coming up. But if you all like this one, I would be more encouraged to do that one. So yeah, let's get to 1,000 subscribers soon. Bye. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell like I did and like always I do. And I upload a new video every week. So stay tuned for that.